That look good, don't it? Don't lie. Don't lie to me.
Intelligent.
Yo, what's going on, beautiful people? Today is day 2 of the 60 Raw Challenge. And right now we are walking out here. I think we've done about 2.1 miles. When we finish this third lap, it'll be about 2.5. And you said we? Who is we? Well, that's Jaleesa right there. Jaleesa, say what's up to the people.
Hey y'all, what's up, what's up, what's up?
People, say what's up to Jaleesa! So, this is my activity for today. When I get back to the hotel, I'll read another segment of the 4 agreements, and I'll update you all on the rest of the journey. Let's get it!
The first agreement: be impeccable with your word. Why your word? The word is not just a sound or a written symbol. The word is a force. It is the power you have to express and to communicate, to think, and thereby create events in your life. You can speak. What other animal on the planet can speak? The word is the most powerful tool you have as a human. It is a tool of magic. But like a sword with 2 edges, your word can create the most beautiful dream, or your word can destroy everything around you. If you saw my grocery haul from Walmart on my day 0 video, you're probably wondering, how will he successfully survive in that hotel room with those grocery items and make it taste good? You like pico de gallo sandwiches? That's my fault. That's my fault. It's gonna be more like tacos. Boat tacos. So you want to get deli meat. It's less sodium than the pre-cut, pre-made deli meat. So we got some turkey here, and we have some chicken. Ooh, that looks good. All we need is a pinch. Just a pinch. Boom, baby. Booyah, baby. Yeet. That look good, don't it? Don't lie. Don't lie to me. On my soul, I could do this every day.
Let's take this show on the road. Same-ish, different day. I'll be bored out my mind. Hometown, love my place, but while I'm in my prime, gotta go get away.
Man, starting over sucks monkey balls. But it's necessary because I know what I want to look like in Tulum on Christmas Day, boys. So we gotta put in that work. It's a non-negotiable. You feel me? You dig? 60 raw. Apparently, when my iPhone is connected to the Apple CarPlay and I'm trying to record a video, the audio does not connect to the video. So this video actually doesn't have any associated audio with it, which is why I'm recording this voiceover. But the video is basically asking you to like, subscribe, and set your alerts because I'm giving you 60 videos in 60 days for this 60 raw challenge, which means you're going to get some content every single day.
Intelligent.